I don't know if we got audio. All right, we have audio. This time it took me one try, first try. It's your boy Jalen, back with another video. Today we outside the shop, right? I don't like that that's in my shop. Give me 1 second. Gotta just go ahead fix the angle. But you see that beautiful ass background with this beautiful ass car?
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
But what we doing today, guys, is a fix technically, right? Depending on if I'm able to actually access the footage from another day prior to recording and posting this, I switch the headlights if it ain't already obvious.
Nice.
This one, hold on, damn, forgot the pack. Give me 1 second. Just know I changed the headlights if it ain't obvious, even though it's pretty fucking obvious. But this should take probably, I want to say 15 minutes. But when working on vehicles, shit may take longer. And in order to access that headlight, because this is the one that's missing the blinker. Yep. Did this one while I was at Sam's. I was impatient as fuck. I didn't want to wait. But God blessed y'all with this one. He made it very impossible for me to actually reach that blinker. So you can thank God, because I'm going to thank God, because he gave me the opportunity to be able to record this and to be alive. Can't forget that one. That's the most important one. And I'm also thank Dodge for low-key being weirdo, let's be honest.
No! God, please, no!
Because the way they design shit, man, let me just say, as a first-time Dodge owner, I ain't never had to go through the shit with any other vehicle that I'm going through with this shit. Yeah, I do have to take this off. I was wondering why I was taking this shit off. But let me start with saying that when it comes to coolant and shit, bro, ass fucking backwards, literally. A lot of you guys not. Like, in all honesty, that was the first issue I had with this vehicle was the coolant. And let me just break down how this shit went for me, right?
Okay.
So, essentially, with the coolant issue that I was having, in order for you to actually get coolant in the car properly, you got to have the vehicle running, which is why I say that shit is ass fucking backwards. Because what this vehicle does, well, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It's my first muscle / sports car, so I can't really talk for any other sports vehicle, but I can talk about my experience with this shit. What this motherfucker does, right, is that it has to be running and it technically has to overheat in order to actually accept the coolant or water, whatever y'all deciding to put in this motherfucker.
You serious?
Before it can actually, well, before you know it's actually working, right? And that kind of pissed me off because whole first time that I had this issue, thought I fixed the issue or I thought I fixed the problem. Mind you, this was prior to me doing this shit, the content creation shit. Flushed the system and everything, right? And car was still overheating. I'm like, fuck going on? Whole time turns out that this fucking vehicle is weird. Or at least weird to an average car owner, right? And me being originally an average fucking car owner, an average Joe. Cause I'm gonna put y'all on game, right? Before I got this motherfucker, I had a 2005 Chevy Malibu. I love that fucking vehicle. I might be a friend of regular vehicles at this point, let's be honest. But I love that fucking vehicle, right? Fucking vehicle was low-key fucking fire after the shit I did to it. Once again, before I did content creation, gang. Alright. A little bit of background about myself. I am from the hood. That's the best way I can put it. And most people that aren't from Houston don't know how we like our music. We like our shit to come with a little bit of bang. So my shit had a little bit of bang in it. This one don't really have no bang in it. I'm gonna keep it a stack with y'all. It's not that I don't want the bang in it, be. Cause don't get me wrong, I definitely do. It's just, long story short, young nigga been in a financial bind. But a young nigga finally figured out some shit and got himself out of a financial bind. Young nigga learned how to invest in himself, right? That's step number one. So that's, I'm missing something. Fuck. We'll figure it out. But step number one to success, invest in your damn self. Did I take that off before we even do that shit? I didn't. I'm glad I actually thought about that. But step number one, invest in yourself, gang. Right? I'm not missing nothing. Also, by the way, guys, forgot I didn't take these off on this side. Well, all the way off. But like I was saying, step number one, invest in your damn self, bro. Don't invest your time in all the good shit into other people. It gets you nowhere. Alright, come to this side, give it a little shimmy shimmy. Because I know that the other side is a bit difficult from prior workings. Alright, there we go. Jolly ho, good fellow. We're just gonna set this to the side over here. So, for those of y'all that are wondering why I took off the whole shits, it's the only way you can actually get to the shits that you need. Get your 8mm socket, by the way. And you just come over here, you just get to hitting that motherfucker. How long has it been? 9 minutes. Yeah, might actually reach the 15. I wasn't sure. But I hope you guys don't mind that I talk a lot. I only do this shit for y'all. I don't really like talking, in all honesty. But I want to actually explain what the fuck I'm doing instead of y'all just watching me do this shit in case y'all want to do this shit, or in case y'all have a vehicle and y'all are planning to do this shit. Not a vehicle. In case y'all have a similar vehicle, whether it be a sports vehicle, whether it be this shit, something, right? So in case y'all want to do this shit, y'all don't really know what to do or where to start, I want to be able to help y'all. It's the only reason why I talk to y'all. Because in all honesty, if it was up to me, I wouldn't say a goddamn thing. But I'm not a jackass. I'm not an asshole. I actually do like seeing my peoples win. I like helping y'all out. So now that we are getting this headlight out, you know what I didn't even think about? Can I reach this shit from my dad? And I can. But you know what? I done already got this far. Might as well see it through. Hold on, where we at? Alright, cool. It ain't that far from me. So hopefully, alright, cool. Cause I'm not trying to crack my shit or break the wires. Or rip the wires, fuck up the wires. Y'all get what the fuck I'm saying, bro. Y'all get it. Y'all know what the fuck I mean. But alright. Place you about the other two. But this little shit didn't come with the shit. That's my fault. And you'll see in the original video, I am technically an asshole. Not even technically, I am literally an asshole. Alright, pop that bad boy in, slap it back in there. But like I was saying, I am literally an asshole because I was talking shit about the company and I didn't even do an actual reading on this shit, right? So where I say I'm an asshole. I didn't fully read the shit where it said, oh, we don't package this shit with the shit. And I was talking shit. I'm like, oh, how y'all gonna send me some shit without the shit like that, right? I don't know if that's exactly what I said. I'm pretty sure it's not. But I know I said some shit about how I didn't have everything. And that's on me. Jalen fucked up. He didn't fully read. And that's cool. As long as you can admit your fuck ups, bro, you can progress. So I'm gonna admit my fuck up so I can progress. I was wrong in the situation, talking shit ahead of time when I could have just read the fucking description. Ain't that some shit? If I would have just read the description, I could have just ordered the shit alongside the fucking headlight. So it'd be here when I install. But me being me, not actually reading the shit, ended up turning myself into an asshole. But hopefully this should be out after the install of the actual headlights. If not, it is what it is. Can't really be mad about it. Also to mention, guys, this is y'all sign, y'all proof, y'all evidence, however y'all want to say it. Bro, you can do this shit. I am fresh off of work, and I decided, hey, let me go ahead and do this shit. Let me not just that. I told myself probably gonna take 15, maybe 20 minutes max, and we in there. And for those that know this t-shirt, no, I do not work at fucking Amazon anymore. And those of y'all that didn't know this t-shirt, shit, you know now. This is a Amazon t-shirt from 2021. I should tell y'all, I'm that guy. I've been up for a little minute now. No, I'm bushing. Y'all probably not even gonna see that. Y'all don't even gonna hear about that shit. Y'all ain't gonna hear about the Amazon shirt. Probably gonna take this shit out of the video, goddamn. And like I said in the other video, if it's out before this, twist till you feel it pressure. Alright. Let's verify, make sure these shits work. Come on now. Alright. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Yes, sir. We did have blinkers, but now we got them. How long did that take? 16 minutes? 17 technically. So I was in the same area. And so y'all don't be talking shit in my comments, talk about this nigga car clicking. That is my fucking actuator. I'm guessing. I'm not sure. But we gonna figure it out. Tell you that much. Alright. How you doing? Yes, sir. I had to no, sir. I had to get to the headlights. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, come on now. Just trying to make sure I get everything lined up right, straight, perfect, tight, fitted. Feel me? And for those of you who are wondering, yes, I'm a very respectful young lad. I know I cuss a lot. I know I say a lot of shit. I know I talk a lot of shit. But at the end of the day, respect gets you a whole lot further than anything. So remember, respect everybody around y'all, bro. If y'all don't take any of my advice, take that. Respect everybody, bro. Even if they disrespect you, you can remove yourself in a respectful manner. You ain't always gotta crash out now. But don't take my advice. I am a former crash out, bro. Now, where I do say take my advice is learn how not to be a crash out, y'all. Because in all honesty, I ain't crashed out since I was like, what, fucking 17, 18? It's been a while, bro. I ain't gonna tell you my age yet, but y'all gonna figure it out eventually. I can tell you, I ain't gonna be the one to help y'all figure it out, though. Haha. Nah, I'm bullshitting. I am an old man. I'll tell you that much. I look young, but I'm a lot older than I am. Or than I seem. Even though I'm young as shit, you feel me? Nah, I'm bullshitting. For whoever wants to know how old I am 22 years of age. I am a young nigga, but I am not a crash out. Not anymore, at least. All right, there we go. That's one thing I can say I love about learning about new and old shit is that you figure out a lot very fast. Now, I can tell y'all I do have a lot of plans for this channel. I do have a lot of plans in general. I don't want to tell y'all, I just want y'all to come along and see. All right. Shit is a whole lot more interesting that way. All right, let's get these two in first. Because them shit's going to be easy. It's just this last one that always got to be difficult. But today we're going to make it look easy. You feel me? It was a what? Fucking quick 20, 25 minute job. That's it. Hold on, one more. In case y'all ain't seen it already. Hopefully y'all have already seen it. But you see that? Hold on. I want y'all to see this for real. So give me 1 second. Hold on. Do y'all see that? This video right here, tough as hell. Come on now, gang. Tough as hell. On the 2012, y'all ain't never seen it like that. Y'all ain't never seen it like that. Also, if anybody know where I can get another 5.7, please comment it down below. I'm trying to get another 5.7 so I can start putting my turbos and pro chargers and shit on this motherfucker. Superchargers. Even though I'm not really one for the shit. Y'all can have it. That old Hell Keezy shit. Y'all can have that. This ain't called Grim Reaper for no reason, man. I can tell you, once I'm done with this, Hellcat, y'all ain't gonna never see one of them on the streets. Especially not if you see this on the street. You see this on the street, you ain't gonna never see a Hellcat. Hellcat's gonna be scared of this motherfucker. Tell you that much. GTRs, McLarens. Shit, I might even have a couple F1 cars scared of this motherfucker. What are you talking about? But if one of them bad boys is bold enough to get up to this, I commend them. But I can tell you so far, I got big plans for this motherfucker. I'm gonna let y'all look at it for a second though. I got big plans for that bad boy. It's gonna be so beautiful, built nice, all that good shit, right? While I clean up, I'm gonna put it like this, right? I want y'all to tag along for the journey. I'm in this for the journey, not the destination. But with all that being said, that's pretty much a wrap for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next part. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. I can tell y'all that I'm gonna have a wrap coming soon. I'm gonna link my socials in the description so y'all can tell me what color or suggest what color I should wrap this bad boy. My plan was just to wrap it black again, but in a different type of black, either matte black or a glossier black, and go from there. But Socials will be down in the description. If y'all want to follow me, y'all can. If y'all don't have to, I'm cool either way. But that's pretty much it.